Hi students, in this video lecture we are going to know about maximum power transfer theorem in DC circuits. We are going to solve a problem to understand maximum power transfer theorem. Problem is calculate the value of RL so that maximum power is transferred from battery. It is a given circuit diagram. The circuit consists of 50 volt source. 10 ohm resistors are connected in parallel, both are 10 ohm resistors. Load resistor connected between terminals A and B. To solve this problem, students should know the steps. First one is to find Thevenin's resistance, next one is to find open circuit voltage, last one is formula for maximum power transfer, that is Pmax is equal to square of open circuit voltage divided by 4 into R Thevenin. And one more condition we have to know for maximum power transfer theorem, that is Thevenin's resistance is equal to load resistance. Let us draw the given circuit diagram, then write the required data. There are two data we required. First one is value of load resistor, another one is maximum power transferred. The first step for solution, find the value of Thevenin's resistance. To find the RTH, that is Thevenin's resistance, first we have to remove the load resistor. Terminals A and B kept it open after removing load resistor, and then short circuit voltage source. We are not considering 50 volt source. The terminals are short circuited. Look at the circuit diagram. We need to find RTH, that means equivalent value of the resistance, where two resistors are connected in parallel. When two resistors are connected in parallel, the formula is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. We are applying this formula, that gives RTH is equal to 10 cross 10 divided by 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 ohm. It is a value of Thevenin's resistance. Second step, to find the open circuit voltage, we have redrawn the circuit diagram without considering the load resistor. Yes, load resistor has been removed now, and the terminals A and B kept it open. In this condition, we are going to find the open circuit voltage. Voltage division in series resistors. When terminals A and B kept it open, both resistors are considered in series connection. So, the voltage across 10 ohm resistor also equal to the voltage across terminals A and B, which is equal to open circuit voltage. The formula for voltage division in series resistors is equal to Vt R1 divided by R1 plus R2. VR1 is the voltage across resistor R1. Vt is total voltage. R1 is the resistor across which we are calculating the voltage, divided by total resistors R1 plus R2. Now we are substituting the values of Vt 50, R1 10, R2 also 10. Now the open circuit voltage, which is equal to voltage across AB terminals, is equal to 25 volt. It is a condition for maximum power transfer theorem that the maximum power is transferred to the load resistor only when the load resistance RL equals the Thevenin's resistance RTH. It is a condition. R Thevenin's is equal to RL for maximum power transfer theorem. Now draw Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Yes, we are going to complete this theorem with the help of Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So, the value of VOC is equal to 25 volt, value of RTH 5 ohm, value of RL is equal to again 5 ohm. According to the condition of maximum power transfer theorem, RL is equal to RTH. Now apply the formula, that is Pmax is equal to square of VOC divided by 4 into RTH. Open circuit voltage value is 25, RTH value is 5, which is equal to 31.25 watts. Dear students, to find the maximum power transferred, we have to understand the steps. First one is to find the Thevenin's resistance. Next one to find the open circuit voltage. Then apply all these values in Thevenin's equivalent circuit. After that, get the formula for maximum power transferred. That gives the answer 31.25 watts. Thank you all.